All right, so the last video besides those one-offs, I promise. Last add-on here to add, which is already added, is this visual theme editor. This is theming your website. All of your sites, we took them, we themed them ourselves, we transferred the content ourselves, so it's up, we kind of pick and choose where images should go on ourselves. It's up to you to kind of take this to completion. We're giving you not a website, but a platform to really kind of go wild with. When this is added to the add-ons section here, if a user would log in and go to any page on the website, and if they're logged in, they can see the black bar. What you'll see on the right side is this like little thing here, and it's kind of hidden out away. What's really cool about this is you can expand it out, and you have a whole bunch of theme options available to you. So like, if we wanted to on the fly, let's go back to the MSEA default settings, and you can kind of see we've totally migrated this site back to the original colors, or we want it to look like tax. So you can see all these adjustments happening in real time to your website. You have the ability, if you wanted to go in and edit this however you want it to. So for example, if I wanted to retheme my website, I would open this up, select the theme, which is personally named to you. So yours will probably be called My Local Theme. And then you could go through these settings here and you can update things in real time. So kind of notice how the border radius is changed on the website. You can notice how we could change the border button sizes. We can change the border radiuses. Really cool. I mean, you don't even have to know code. You don't even have to try to be fancy about it. You kind of just like pick stuff and it should look pretty good. There's quite a bit of settings here to go through, but literally almost everything on this website is configurable. So feel free to go a bit wild. Like for example, maybe we didn't get the font right. That's okay. You could just go in here to fonts and maybe let's change this one to like, I don't know, like a Roboto 900 italic. And you can go one by one and change everything in real time. Pretty cool functionality. When you're ready, just hit save and publish it. Highly recommend, or I guess you could even hit this random button if you wanted to. Highly recommend, just for the sake of not accidentally saving and messing everything up. Don't worry if you do. There's always ways to restore. But if you do this, what I would do is I always go to create new from current, and then I name my theme. So I'll call this Nick's first theme. And you can see I already did a bunch of demos. And what I'm gonna do is click save. Awesome. And now what I could do is, now I'll go to colors. Let's go to like, you'll have to explore this on your own, but like, maybe I'll make this like a little bit darker or whatever. And maybe I'll make this like really dark and nothing really makes sense anymore. It's like really ugly, but here's my new site and I changed everything. Now, if I hit save, I could publish this. And so now if I refresh the page, the tech people are probably like reviewing this and like, oh my gosh, my site, why is it green? Well, you know, we could just hop back and forth between the different styles. So now we could hop back to MSEA default. We could hop back to the TAC. We could hop back to the super crazy one. Let's go back to TAC, hit save, hit publish. Let's make that live, refresh. Don't have to worry about it. Feel free to kind of make this your site, make it personal, adjust the fonts, adjust the colors. We're not going to be 100% right. Just remember, create new from current, manage a couple themes here, and should be good.